Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I'm doing a remake of Day 15. I've been having trouble with my audio lately on some of them, so even though I've already opened them, I'll show them to you now. I've got the box from Missouri Star Quilt Company and then a box from Soft Squares. This is their large one. So let's take a look at Day 15. And it's this cute little box. I love the boxes from Missouri Star Quilt Company. And inside is this cute little tin. Quilt design on both sides and with their logo on there. And we open it up and there's all kinds of goodies, which I'd already opened them, some of them. These are great. These are for you put your bobbin on here and then stick this into your spool of thread. I use these all the time. They're wonderful. These, I'm not sure what they are. I'm going to have to find out. I'm sure there'll be a video or something talking about it. But got a nice little handful of those. And then these. I don't know what these are either. I'll find out. I should have opened them. These look like little clips. This is little put on your fingers, probably for doing free motion quilting. So that was what was Day 15 from Missouri Star Quilt Company. Some little fun things, very colorful. Cute tin. From Day 15 of Soft Squares was a quilt pattern book. This is called Forever Fabulous Back Quarter Quilts from Annie's Quilting. Isn't that nice? It has all kinds of patterns in here. Just the ones on the cover are beautiful. But you can just see here, there's just all kinds of them. Beautiful quilts. Fun, fast and easy ones. And what they are is they're quilts that are made with back quarters. And I know I have tons, and I'm sure you do too. So this is a wonderful book. I believe the value on this was $10. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what was in Day 15 of the Advent boxes.